And it is a huge mausoleum. Look at that. Right in the middle of the woods, hidden away. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm here on this very busy road in Kells, County Meath, and you're not going to believe it, but we're actually outside today, not a cemetery, but a golf club. And there's a reason why I'm here. So we're outside this golf club here called Headfort, and once upon a time it wasn't a golf club, it was the Taylor family domain. So the Taylor family would have owned all this area here, a vast amount of land. So inside the golf club area, hidden in the woodlands, is a huge Gothic mausoleum. So I can't wait to show you this. So let's go in and have a look. So this is just the bridge on the golf club area, and on it here it says new bridge erected in 1776, and the architect there was Thomas Cooley is the name on it there, and you can see the date. So I'm actually here looking for the Taylor Mausoleum. It's a Gothic mausoleum on the estate grounds. So I'm hoping to bring you up there and have a look at it. It's a huge mausoleum, Gothic revival, and it has beautiful scenery in the area here. So I will get back to you when we're on our way in the woodland area it is, and we'll have a look at the mausoleum. Right, so I'm in a wooded area here on the grounds of the golf course, and I think I'm getting very close to this mausoleum. It's very hard to find, so hopefully it's over in that direction over there. It's not easy to locate. I'll just show you what we're going through here. All this area. Right, so we found the mausoleum. So this mausoleum was built in 1869 to house the remains of Thomas Taylor, the second Marquess of Headfort, based on designs by James Franklin Fuller. It's an octagonal Gothic revival shrine featuring steeply sloping limestone walls, ashlar plinth and string course, crowned by an octagonal lantern and a soaring spire visible across the family domain. So the Taylor family coat of arms is carved into this mausoleum. It was consecrated in 1870 by the Bishop of Meath and constructed by local builder Henry Sharp of Kells. So it was the broader legacy of the Taylor family, who held the titles of Earl of Bective and Marquess of Headfort, owning much of the surrounding estate and Kells itself. And it is a huge mausoleum. Look at that. Right in the middle of the woods, hidden away. Don't think many people know it's even here. So there we see the big gates to the mausoleum, and just over the door, I'll show you there, 1869 is carved into the stone. So we'll walk around the perimeter of the mausoleum. We can see the windows on it there. It actually reminds me of the one in Wales. There's one outside an area where L.T. Jones actually done a video there. It reminds me of that. But it's totally just dotted here in the woodland. So this place, as I was saying, is now a golf course on the estate. And the people were very friendly actually. The groundskeeper gave me directions of how to get here. I was using the maps. Now above the door, I'll zoom in. That is the family coat of arms there. And above that then we have like a crown at the very, very top. So we're not going to see much in here. I think it's locked up. We can see there's a pad on it, a padlock. But this would have cost a fortune. These people were millionaires, and this would have cost a considerable amount of money to construct. You can see the pillars on it there. Now I don't see where the entrance is to the vault where these people are buried, but I'm presuming it's right there in the middle maybe. You could lift up that area, there would be steps going down into the vault, and that would be the area where you'd have all your lead coffins. And I'll just try and get a view from this side. So now there is tombs there actually, just straight ahead. You see the tomb? I actually think there could be someone buried inside that tomb. Like a sarcophagus. Straight ahead. There's actually two. There's another one just there. So we have 1, 2, and one just there as well. And what a mausoleum it is. It's huge. Very interesting to find it. And it has all that design on the outside of it as well, look. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any more interesting places on my channel. So even if we were to get in there, we wouldn't see much, to be honest. It's just those tombs in there, surrounded by all this woodland area. This must be a piece of the mausoleum here, maybe. Now there is windows there. Some of them have kind of an iron railing or iron design on it. The other one here doesn't have it. So people maybe try to get up here, climb up along, I think, to go inside the mausoleum, but I mean, they're not going to see much in there. There's no coffins in that area, which I actually would like the idea if you could go in there inside the crypt and go down under it or something like that. But I don't see any stairs or stuff like that going down to an area. But there is those sarcophagus tombs, so maybe the people are buried inside those. So a massive mausoleum really, just to house maybe a couple of people. And the amount of work, the brickwork that went into it as well, it's remarkable. There you have the old windows at the back and this vegetation kind of growing there and the windows coming inside. And the tombs. So I just noticed there on the entrance to the mausoleum, these wouldn't be the original gates. These are more modern looking. And how I know that is, you can see the original hinges, I suppose you call them, the part that was holding the gate on there. And that part. And then you can see the same thing just here. So the original doors to this mausoleum were probably just fell apart or were very old, and they put this new gate up instead. And there's a lock on it. So that's it from me here in Headford Estate at the Taylor Mausoleum. If I do find any photographs of the Taylor family, I'll add it to the video as well, so you have an idea of what these people looked like back in the day. That's it, so I make my way back out of here, this wooded area. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and follow me for more interesting cemetery adventures. Just like this one, the Taylor Mausoleum in the woods.